They're tracking some heavy rain that's causing flooding concerns and more. Sacramento Department of Water Resources is asking residents to clear debris from storm drains and report downed trees. ABC 10's John Bartell joining us live from Sacramento's Rosemont neighborhood, where we're already seeing some damage there. John?
That is right. The last night's storm did quite the number on this fence over here. A tree came down here. Follow me over here. I just want to show you what I'm seeing here. There is going to be one lucky dog tonight. Looks like Fido's doghouse blew over, so looks like he'll be sleeping inside. But I want to show you this tree here. This was cleaned up by the Sacramento Department of Water Resources. They're the crew members that do a lot of the cleanup out here. And what they're saying is that it is sort of going to be a team effort between you, the resident, and workers to help prevent flooding in the streets here. And they've been working hard right now with this break in the storm. They've already cleaned up 15 down trees and they've unclogged 35 different drains. And what they want to see is only water going down those drains. With all of this debris coming up here, you can help those workers out. And it's real simple. You could do this at the commercial break. Come outside of your house, find your drain out here, and do this. Yep, just clear those drains. You're not only going to just help, you're not only going to help the workers, you're going to help yourself. Prevent a lot of that flooding happening coming up into your house simply by just removing a lot of those leaves. Now, if you already are experiencing some of that flooding, or if you see a downed tree, you're supposed to call 311 and they'll come out and handle it for you. We're out here in Rosemont. I'm John Bartell.
All right, thank you, John. Again, good tips there. Call 311 if there's a downed tree. Thank you, John.